If you've been searching for how to clean reclaimed wood with vinegar, this is the simple method that actually works. Quick thing before we start, here's what I've noticed after working with a lot of reclaimed boards. Cleaning them properly is step one, but knowing exactly what to build with them is the real game changer. That's why I use a complete woodworking guide that gives access to 16,000 plans, CAD viewers, step-by-step videos, and even business tips. It helped me stop guessing and start finishing projects. If you're curious, the link is in the description below. Now let's clean that wood. Step 1. Dry brush first. Always remove loose dirt and debris before adding moisture. If you skip this, you'll just smear mud deeper into the grain. Step 2. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 1 part warm water. Simple, cheap, effective. I've tested stronger cleaners before, and honestly, vinegar cleaned the surface without stripping the natural aged color. Step 3. Wipe, don't soak. Use a damp cloth, not dripping wet. Reclaimed wood is dry and can warp if you flood it. Step 4. Air dry for 24 to 48 hours. No heat guns, no rushing. That's it. That's the safe, proven way for how to clean reclaimed wood with vinegar. But remember, cleaning is just prep. The magic happens when you turn those boards into something solid and beautiful. Having clear plans makes a huge difference. That full woodworking plan access I mentioned earlier, it's linked below if you want structured guidance instead of trial and error. Clean it right, build it better.